Hey everybody, it's Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. And today, super excited to show you about this 2022 Toyota Rav4 XLE Premium that we just got. We actually took this vehicle in on trade on one of our Corvettes. Now this is that beautiful blueprint metallic, and this truck is absolutely perfect. It's only got 3,500 miles on it. No road rash, no curved wheels, no scratches on the interior. I mean, this is as brand new as a pre-owned vehicle gets. No wear on the tires. It's just, it speaks for itself. A 2022 with only 3,500 miles on it. One owner, bought new, and the folks lived right here in southeastern Virginia, so you know, no rust, no nothing, which, I mean, would be kind of hard to get anything on it with such low miles. Of course, it's still completely under factory warranty. It is CARFAX certified. And we've also got extended warranties to lengthen the factory warranty. If you're so interested in taking a look at that. Of course, the leather is perfect. There are zero apologies about this RAV4. 3,568 miles currently. Cruise control, steering wheel stereo controls, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, power liftgate. And get back over here and show the memory driver's seat here. Nice big screen. Backup camera, of course. And navigation is not installed. Dual climate control, driver and passenger side, heated seats. Owner's manuals. Power sunroof. Spacious second row here with the folding seats, the armrest, rear air, the nice Toyota catch-all mats there. And as you saw, that seat folded down just a moment ago. Both sides, of course, do. Whoops. It helps if you lock that in like that. But a beautiful vehicle, here to save you thousands from buying a brand new one off the lot. You can get one that's as pre-owned as possible, and this is the one right here. Again, 3,500 miles. And we've got it here for you at Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Tons of great financing options, warranty included, shipping is available, and always top dollar for your trade. So give us a call. You can call or text me directly at 757-676-4444. We look forward to hearing from you and appreciate you watching as always.